What's good, YouTube? Alex on the cam, back here with another video, guys. Today we got another lit video for you guys. We got another lit one. Guys, I'm back with another video. As you guys can see in the title, I will be giving you guys a braid out of these crazy naughty dreadlocks. You guys give this video a big thumbs up for me down below. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new. Join the crew. You already know what to do, baby boo shoot. Oh, let's unbraid these things. I really don't want to unbraid them. However, my scalp is starting to itch a little bit. And personally, when my scalp starts to itch, I like to just let my hair free, my dreads free. I'm gonna tell you guys too what I be moisturizing my hair with, okay? So y'all stay tuned for that. Let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so first things first, I'm gonna show you guys what I use to moisturize my hair with. So, I don't have it literally made right now.
I don't have it made right now.
But I do use this. There you go, okay? It's black castor oil, Jamaican mango and lime product. And what I do is I use a spritz bottle. That's what I call it, a spray bottle, whatever. You can get this at the 99-cent store. I literally found that out. I went to Walmart, I went to Target, couldn't even find it because of this goddamn pandemic.
I went to the 99-cent store, I see this.
Anyways, I put some of this in here and I put some more Aquafina water. I put the black castor oil and water into the spritz bottle and I shake it up and I just spray it on my dreads, y'all. And that's how I moisturize my hair. Let's take off this cap.
Whoa, she got a big old forehead.
And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just time lapse me untwisting my two-strand twist, y'all. Okay, I think we're done here. Are we done? Are we done here? We are officially finished with taking out all the two-strand twists. This is the final product of the braid out. Let me know how you guys like it in the comment section down below. I need either fire emojis or poop emojis, okay? Spam those in the comment section right now. What you guys think about it? Huh? You guys like the braid out look? Oh crap, I'm not done. I did miss one. I missed two actually. Holy crap, I missed 3 full-on braids. That's crazy. But yeah, now I'm officially done. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I like it personally. It makes my dreads have some kind of finesse to it. Other than that, I did ask you guys to stay to the end of the video because I just wanted to answer some of you guys' questions. I see a lot of questions, like repeated questions on my IG and on my YouTube channel, so I just wanted to address them really quick. So one question that I get frequently asked, like a lot, is why did I switch to dreads, you guys? The reason why I got dreads was because it was just simply for a spiritual journey. Like, I know some of you guys know this, but some of you guys don't because I have new viewers. I used to have dreadlocks back in like 2014, 15, 16, okay? And through that time, y'all, when I had dreadlocks, I was me. I wasn't the shallow me. Like, get this, I had dreadlocks, and when I cut them off and I got curly hair and then I became honestly YouTube known, that's when I personally changed as a person. I became like, I call it Hollywood Alex. And basically me growing as a person throughout the years, it made me, first of all, reflect on how I was back then. And getting to the point, you guys, I basically came to the realization that I was myself. I was my most organic self when I had dreadlocks. Another question I get asked a lot: do you ever plan on cutting your dreads? Okay, like do I plan on having them, you know, for a certain amount of time and then, you know, getting rid of them? Personally, guys, I don't plan on cutting my hair anytime soon because I want my hair to get a certain length. You see the length that they're at right now? I personally want to get them to like nipple length at least. I have a good, I would say 2-3 years. So you guys are gonna be seeing this for a good minute. I also was gonna do a thing, if I get to 1 million subscribers, I may cut my hair early, just depending. But yeah, like I wanted to do something big right now in my life. I wanted to change it up. I feel like the curls were absolutely great. Yeah, I know you guys love them, but now it's time for a change. And I know you guys are liking the look as well, like you guys like this look. Last question I get a lot, and this has nothing to do with dreads, but it does have something to do with this platform, YouTube. People ask me, Alex, how are you growing so fast? How do you start a YouTube channel? How do you know, get a fan base? To all my people, seriously, that really want to start a YouTube channel, you know, get a fan base, people messing with them. Guys, the best way I can put it is you gotta be that person. When you film a video, you gotta connect with people, okay? You gotta connect with them. Like when I'm real with you guys love that shit. Like all that fake bullshit, you guys can see right through it. You guys can feel those vibes. I want you guys to think, I want to be able to connect with people through a camera. I want you guys to get that mindset down because you gotta touch people through this camera. If you have that ability, all you gotta do is definitely pump out the content. As long as you guys have that in you where you can literally connect with people through the camera and you're yourself, you have positive vibes, and on top of that, your content is good and you're pumping out good videos all the time, you are going to make it. There's no special way on how to blow up on YouTube, guys. I can teach you guys how to edit. If you guys want a YouTube video on how to edit, I can teach you guys. You guys DM me. I'm a person that sees the DMs. You guys let me know. But yeah, that's the video that I wanted to make for you guys. The Braid-Out, okay? Let me know in the comment section down below, fire emoji or poop emoji, okay? I personally like the Braid-Out look. It looks wavy, you feel me? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I want to say happy Friday to everybody. I hope you guys are staying safe. If you guys are still protesting, be safe out there, okay? Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. We are growing so quick. On the road to 6K already. Let's get there. Here are some post notification shout outs. If you guys want to have a chance to win a shout out in my next video, all you guys got to do is comment down below something positive, okay? Other than that, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Join the crew. You already know what it do, baby boo shoot. Oh, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.
What we do here is go
Just remember, stay woke.
back.